What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back today with another video with the unboxing from Louis Vuitton. As you can notice, my background is different because I am at my mom's house. I had to come up here and pick up the packages, and just fair warning, I do have my grandbaby with me, so he might pop in and pop out of the video. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. You want to say hi to my family on YouTube? Get out your nose. Say hi to them. Say hi. Say hi. You're not going to say hi? Okay. Well, you can get out my video. Can you get out my video? Huh? Huh? Can you get out my video if you ain't going to say hi? Say hi. Why you close that? I think they want to see what's in the box. Can we unbox it? Okay. You gonna sit here and act right? Okay. So, here is the box. I did open it the wrong way. Here is the other one. I haven't opened that one. But let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the box with the receipt on the inside. This here says the used is the new. Don't mess with that. You're going to turn my video off. You're not a good host. You're not sitting still and not bothering anything. Okay. This item is from Fashionphile. Here is the Louis Vuitton box. And what your girl picked up was the card holder in the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur print. Here is this. Here are the tags. Of course, this one says if you remove it, the bag is yours, but it did not have no place to put it on there, so here is the textile card, and the number on this one is N60286. So that's what your girl picked up for that one. So we're just gonna put it back in here. Okay. And the next one, you have anything to say? Huh? You have anything to say? Say hi, YouTube. Say what's up. You're not gonna give him some pound in. Say boom. That's right. He giving y'all some pound. Him and Papa always give each other pound. Okay. It opened. Yeah, it opened. And here is the next one. And the receipt is inside the box there. Once again, the new is the used. It's hot, man. It's hot. Here is the box that says Louis Vuitton. This one did come with their dust bag, the tags, and what I picked up was the Louis Vuitton, what is it called? The Louis Vuitton Damier Azur Victoria wallet in the Ballerine pink. So I did pick that up to go along with the Louis Vuitton Damier Azur corset that I got for my birthday. It is hot in here, you guys, so your girl is sweating. So I wanted to come on here and share these items with you while I just picked them up And I have the grandbaby. Say hi. Say hi.
Go bye-bye.
You want to go bye-bye?
Go bye-bye.
Okay, we're going to go bye-bye. So, as you can see, it's Meemaw Day and Grandbaby Day. So, he wants to go, what? Bye-bye. He wants to go bye-bye. So, we're going to get out of here and go bye-bye and do some things. So, you guys, I just wanted to say what's up and share my little pickups with you guys. So, like I always say, remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video. That way I know that you are watching. And until the next time, we're out.